Good morning, people. New video. See all this condenser? It's transferring the air to the wall. In 120-degree weather day, this thing will overheat. Right here, where my head is, it's freaking hot as fuck. Even recording, I can feel all this heat in my. So I'm gonna flip this unit around and see if that helps, because it's running on high head pressure. It's running like at 540. And I already washed this coil, adjusted the TXV, and they would not drop. So when I called tech support, they told me that they could be like this, but not designed for when it's over 100 degrees to be facing the wall. He said to flip it, and that should help. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get it. There you go. Look where it's running at. Well, it's a 14A system, so hold on, let me switch this up. What the fuck? Oh. My bad, people. Almost 500 right now. So when it gets hotter, it runs higher, obviously. That's why. There you go, people. Units turned around. The fan's facing this way now, instead of that way, throwing the air back to the wall and sucking it back in. So let's go with the 2-piece vacuum pump. The micron gauge. Let's see how long this takes. Let's eat it.